Zirconia, strong, biocompatible, and ideal for permanent crowns and bridges. Best for posterior restorations needing high strength. Can be used monolithic or as a coping for porcelain layering. Zirconia translucent, more aesthetic version of zirconia with higher translucency. Used for interior crowns where natural appearance is important. Slightly less strong, but looks more lifelike. Zirconia multi-layer features built-in color and translucency gradients. No need for extra staining, looks natural right after milling. Perfect for full contour crowns and bridges. Acrylic PMMA, used for temporary crowns, bridges, and try-ins. Easy to mill and polish, lightweight and affordable. Not for long-term use because it wears over time. Acrylic PMMA multi-layer, same as PMMA but with layered color for a more natural look. Used for long-term provisionals or aesthetic mock-ups. Composite, resin-based material for crowns, inlays, and veneers. Easy to polish and repair, good for patients with bruxism. Less hard than ceramics but gentle on opposing teeth. NP metal non-precious metal, strong and affordable, used for PFM crowns and metal frameworks. Reliable for bridges and posterior restorations. Titanium, extremely strong and biocompatible. Used for implant abutments, bars, and frameworks. Corrosion resistant and great for long-term restorations. NP metal laser, titanium laser. For selective laser melting metal 3D printing. Creates accurate, lightweight frameworks for implants or dentures. 3D print, used for printed temporaries, models, guides, and mock-ups. Fast and cost-effective, but not for final restorations. Wax, for milling wax patterns before casting or pressing. Cheap, easy to mill, and ideal for test fitting. Lithium disilicate, strong, translucent ceramic for crowns, veneers, and onlays. Highly aesthetic and suitable for both anterior and posterior single units. Lithium silicate, similar but faster to process, great for chairside single restorations. Good balance of beauty and efficiency. Hybrid ceramic, blend of ceramic and resin, flexible, easy to mill, no firing needed. Used for crowns, veneers, and inlays with natural polish. Glass ceramic, beautiful and translucent for interior work like veneers and single crowns. Highly aesthetic but less strong, not for bridges. Feldspar feldspathic ceramic, classic porcelain with the most natural look. Perfect for thin veneers and cosmetic restorations, fragile but unmatched in beauty. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the different materials in Exocad and when to use each one. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.